Under-eye revitalization treatment is designed to improve tired-looking eyes, fine lines, under-eye dullness, and mild skin thinning. Using PRP or PRF, this regenerative treatment uses growth factors from your own blood to support collagen production and skin repair. PRP has a lighter liquid consistency, while PRF has a more gel-like texture and may allow growth factors to remain in the area longer. This treatment may be suitable for individuals noticing under-eye dullness, crepey texture, fine lines, or a tired appearance. Because under-eye concerns can be caused by pigmentation, volume loss, skin thinning, or vascular tone, your provider will assess whether PRP, PRF, or another option is most suitable. Typically, this treatment offers visible improvement within a few weeks, with optimal results achieved through 3 treatments spaced 4 weeks apart and continued collagen improvement over up to 6 months following treatment. The treatment takes approximately 1 hour and is generally well tolerated, with numbing cream applied prior to treatment and possible minor bruising after the procedure. Book a consultation to see if this treatment is right for you.